Hello, friends. This is Daniel Slocum. I'm an IT Asset Management Technical Practice Director here at GlideFast, and I'm going to be talking to you today about the new copy feature in software asset management where you can copy allocations from one software entitlement to another. So I've opened up the software entitlements pane here in the license operations section of the software asset management workspace, and I've pre-filtered it to show just two different software entitlements, both of them for Adobe Systems Acrobat DC Professional. One of them is a user subscription license metric and the other is a per user. And I've conveniently named them using the asset tag feature to attribute, not feature, to identify them as source and target. Those two ideas are concepts of the source of the allocations that need to go to a target entitlement is key to this function. So quickly, I'm going to show you that in the source, I have 4 user allocations. Good old Abraham Lincoln, who's been an employee here for a very long time, Abel Tudor, Adam Ringel, and Eileen Motern. Those are present in the source, whereas I have 0 allocations in the target. Now, how this works is you must navigate to the target and then to the user allocations related list, click on copy allocations. The UI is asking you for the source. What is the source allocation? Excuse me, source entitlement. We're going to choose our source, which of course is not pre-filtered. We've now chosen our source entitlement using the filter, and we can see that there are allocations here from which we can choose. So the step now is to click on the checkbox to highlight all, and then click submit. When we click submit, a process is going to take place in which it copies these allocations from this entitlement to the other entitlement, our target entitlement. Now, the word copy is crucial here. It is not going to copy and delete. It's not moving them. It is copying them. So this methodology should be used when you're retiring an entitlement or you plan to put it in some other state where the allocations and the rights that are in it that are afforded from it do not get considered during reconciliation. So keep that in mind. This is a copy function, not a move function. So I'm going to click submit. We get this great window that pops up and says, hey, we are processing the copy of allocations. Quantity may be updated to reflect duplicates. Please check the status here. When you check the status, it takes you to an additional screen where you can see software asset job results. And here it is. When I had one that said failed earlier, this is in July. These are backwards. I'm not sure. There we go. Here we are. It is copying completed. So the one that was failed in July, that is obviously from something that was in this demo instance and not something we did today. All right, so let's go back and click on where we want to see this target, and the user allocations appear to be empty. Well, that's because this is just sitting there waiting for us to click refresh. So once we refresh the list, we see that the 4 user allocations were moved from the source to the target. Now, as I noted before, these are not deleted. And so you're going to want to make sure that you set the source software entitlement to a state of other than in use so that those allocations and those rights that are included in this entitlement are not considered during reconciliation. We're going to choose the state and we're going to change it to retired, but to make sure that this is no longer used. See, and you even get the pop-up. You've changed the state of this entitlement. The entitlement will no longer be available for reconciliation. It's exactly what you want to do because you copied, you didn't move. All right, hey, great. So I bounced around a little bit, but I'm sure I got the point across. Thank you so much for watching this video. Come back to this YouTube channel to see more great videos from GlideFast.